In finance, one mistake can change history forever. For Larry Fink, it cost nearly $100 million. For most people, $100 million loss would end their career. For Larry Fink, it was only the beginning. Today, BlackRock manages more money than the GDP of almost every country on Earth. And yet, most people have never heard of it. This is the story of BlackRock. (1988) Manhattan. The late 1980s were a golden age for Wall Street. The people working on the stock, promotion moved at breakneck speed. One of those traders was Larry Fink. Working at First Boston, he quickly became one of the brightest names on Wall Street. His team pioneered the market for mortgage-backed securities, generating enormous profits. Everything seemed perfect until one prediction went terribly wrong. Larry Fink believed the market would continue moving in the same direction. But the market had other plans. Interest rates moved unexpectedly. The value of the securities collapsed. The loss reached nearly $100 million. For many people, that would have been the end. For Larry Fink, it became the most important lesson of his career. That loss changed the way Larry Fink thought about investing. He realized that making money wasn't enough. Understanding risk was even more important. So, instead of returning to the same path, he decided to build something entirely different. The company's mission was to put risk management at the center of every investment decision. Imagine you have $1 million. You want that money to grow, but you don't know where to invest it. You give it to someone, and he analyzes stocks and invests in suitable ones. If your investments grow, you earn money too. But this person charges a small management fee. BlackRock operates using precisely this kind of system. But just imagine, BlackRock takes a very small percentage from the money it manages. Let's say 0.2% per year. It doesn't sound like much, but when you huge amounts of money, small becomes massive. Now imagine even more. BlackRock manages over $11 trillion in assets. 0.2% of $11 trillion is $22 million. And this is just from managing money. BlackRock doesn't take big risks with its own money. Tiny percentages. Massive impact. This is the power of scale. The idea was simple, but turning that idea into the world's largest asset manager would take decades. At first, BlackRock wasn't a giant. It had to earn trust one client at a time. Large pension funds, insurance companies, and institutions began trusting BlackRock with billions of dollars. But there was another reason behind BlackRock's rapid growth. Aladdin. BlackRock developed a powerful technology platform called Aladdin. It could analyze thousands of investments, measure risk, and help investors make better decisions. Soon, even other financial institutions started using BlackRock's technology. Then came one of the biggest moments in the company's history. BlackRock acquired Barclays Global Investors. One acquisition changed everything. By now, BlackRock wasn't just another investment company. It had become one of the most influential financial institutions in the world. BlackRock owns shares in thousands of companies around the world. BlackRock is often managing part of that money. Every day, trillions of dollars move through global financial markets. BlackRock helps manage a significant portion of those investments, but with that kind of influence comes criticism. It all began with one mistake. One decision, one company, over $11 trillion under management.